My son has a cockatiel, so, and it's out all the time, so
yeah.
I have one.
Yeah, the cockatiel I have here is a bit vicious. It likes to fight.
My other two cats were old, and they passed away about 7 years ago. But the bird, they didn't care about the bird. They were too old. They walked up to them and pet them, and the cats.
Yeah, my cats bring in like chipmunks for us to chase around the house.
See, that's.
Yeah, they're like food for you.
Sorry. Aren't they adorable?
Oh, look at the little black kitties, too.
Me, fight.
Oh, that one's not alone. Look at, like, what the parents are doing.
You guys want to go anywhere else?
What time is it?
It is 1:54.
Really? Only the 1:54?
Yeah.
I knew we'd have a lot of time left over.
Of them in an iron suit.
Oh, I was going to say, what's the poop of these guys? Oh, look at empty.
That's probably why they're meowing. Well, maybe. Some of them are full.
He's just staring at me.
That one's a unique color. I like that one, too.
What a awesome orange.
I like this one. Oh, he's like clawing at the grass with his claws there.
Sarah, you'd die if you go to my aunt's house, because she has 2 cats, right? Well, cats just decided to migrate to her house, and there was 18 outside while she owned 2. Aww. They all meow at the same time.
This one's standing on the ledge.
Hugging it. Good morning.
I wonder why they put the food and water up there.
All-American kittens.
Right.
Are you recording or are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm over. That's the kid.